What's good, you guys? Same day with another video. So this is me drying brining some steak and lamb chops for 2 to 3 days. I also like to use beef tallow as a binder for my seasoning when I'm grilling. Now, right after adding beef tallow to my steak, I like to add garlic seasoning and also black pepper. Now that the charcoal is hot, nice and hot, it's time to add the steaks. Dry brining also help with salting the meat all the way throughout and getting a perfect crust on the meat. So you think perfect crust or what? I think so.